We ordered a copy of our new game, Pizza Parlor, from the Game Crafter. It arrived in a flat-rate USPS shipping box. It's even plastic wrapped. Opening the box, it's easy to see right off the bat that there is a lot of extra space in here, with brown paper taking up the extra space in the box. It's one of our biggest pet peeves, but this is the smallest box they had that'll fit all the pieces. There are 3 dice included, a purplish operation dice, an orange fraction dice, and a white die with fractions and whole numbers. There's a total of 12 sheets, 6 pizza pans, and 1 sheet for each of the fraction pizza slices. The material is thinner than we prefer. This is the only customizable option that we can get the pizza slices as we wanted. And the pieces aren't too hard to get out of the sheets. There is 1 sheet of quarter pepperoni slices, a sheet of 1/6 mushroom slices, a sheet of 16 cheese slices, a sheet of 1/3 pepper slices, a sheet of 1/8 combo slices, a sheet of 1/12 olive slices, and 6 sheets with 1 pizza pan each. Let's check to make sure all the slices fit nicely on the pizza pans. They're not perfect, but pretty darn close. hope you enjoyed this unboxing as much as we did. Be sure to check out our playthrough videos and the website to find more about Pizza Parlor and ordering your own copy. Thanks for watching.